How to replace the upper backrest assembly on the Human Touch Quies massage chair. Be sure to keep all parts and keep track of where each screw is removed from for reassembly. To remove the upper backrest, you will first need to remove the foot and calf massager, backrest cover, and both side panels. Start by turning the power switch, located on the back of the chair, to off, then unplug the chair. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstery, and then remove the foam insert. Remove the clips securing each side of the foot and calf massager to the posts by using a small flathead screwdriver to wedge it open, just enough to pull the clip off. Slightly lift and slide the foot and calf massager to one side, off of the post, then to the other side to remove the massager. Do not detach the connectors. Now, remove the 2 screws that secure the front of each side panel to the chair frame. Then, locate and open the small zippered pockets next to each shoulder airbag and remove the 2 screws and washers inside each pocket. It's important that you do not drop the screws or washers into the chair. Remove the 4 screws securing the backrest cover to the chair, then detach the cover. Now, remove the 2 screws that secure the rear of each side panel to the chair frame. Detach the side panels just enough to set them alongside the chair. Do not detach the air hoses. At the back of the chair, disconnect the speaker cable and the air hose from the elbow fitting on each side. Unzip the body pad from the backrest, then lift the upper backrest assembly up and off of the chair. To install the upper backrest assembly, you will need to slide the 2 brackets on each side onto their corresponding posts on the chair. Close the zipper that attaches the backrest pad to the upper backrest assembly. Then, on each side, attach the cable connectors and air hoses, pushing firmly to ensure the air hose is fully inserted onto the elbow fitting. Attach each side panel by inserting the upper bracket into the small pockets under the shoulder airbags, and sliding the horseshoe bracket onto the post. Then, while pushing inward, slide the side panel backward, hooking the metal bracket over the lower frame of the chair to secure it. When installing the left-hand side panel, insert the USB charging port through the cable guide before attaching the panel. Then, at the back of the chair, replace the 2 lower screws and washers to secure the rear of each of the side panels. Install the backrest cover by inserting the tabs on the bottom edge of the cover into their corresponding slots on the chair base, then attach the top to their corresponding fasteners on the upper backrest and secure the cover with the 4 screws previously removed. Replace the 2 screws and washers inside the zippered pocket on each side. It's important that you do not drop the screws or washers into the chair. Then close each pocket. Secure the front of each side panel with the 2 screws previously removed. Install the foot and calf massager by inserting each side onto the post, one at a time, and secure using the clips previously removed. Then, replace the foam insert and zip the foot and calf massager upholstery to the backrest pad.